the trouble is with batteries, it immediately goes to that chemical issue.
Yeah, so we've got to find alternative storage technologies, and we are beginning to see really very creative ways of addressing this kind of issue. Batteries are a bit of a problem because they are very clunky bits of kit, and you need a lot of raw materials to make for the most efficient batteries today. And
finite materials as well.
Finite materials that have to be mined somewhere, and often they have to be mined in countries where mining regulation is pretty negligible. And for me, this is a big, since I wrote Hope in Hell, I am already skeptical about the EV revolution, the electric vehicle revolution. And I was skeptical at the start because the idea that we would get rid of one car that is using petrol or diesel and replace it with another car that is using electricity. So you would have a like-for-like swap, get rid of the fossil fuel-based vehicle and swap in a electric vehicle, which is what some people think the solution to the transport crisis really looks like, the fossil fuel-based transport crisis. That is not going to work because the raw material demand to produce an electric vehicle is, plus its battery, obviously, is still huge. And when you look at the amount of new raw materials, including some of the rare earths and precious metals, which battery and other storage technologies depend on, the mining requirement is just vast. And it's already pretty impactful in many, many countries around the world, particularly in China. So for me, don't get overexcited about a substitution transport strategy. Get really excited about integrated transport mobility solutions for cities where you can combine state-of-the-art public transport systems with far better facilities for cyclists and pedestrians and e-scooters and things like this, and use car clubs, car share schemes, which will all be electric cars, obviously. But if you have a community car share scheme, the number of vehicles you need per head of population is massively reduced.